Hello, today we will guide you through how to generate a QR code for a Facebook business page. In this walkthrough, we'll take your Facebook business page link and turn it into a scannable QR code that customers can use to visit your page instantly. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll share helpful tips along the way to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your business assets. Using a desktop browser makes the next steps easier to see and follow, though the process is similar on a laptop. Once Facebook loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens the profile switcher and shortcuts. From here, choose your business page. Selecting the page ensures the link you copy in a moment points visitors directly to your business presence, not your personal profile. When you're on your business page, click the profile area at the top left to land on the main page view. This helps confirm you're seeing the public-facing version that customers will reach. It's a quick way to make sure you're not on a subsection like the inbox or settings. Now move to your browser's address bar at the very top. Click once to highlight the full page address, then copy it. You can use your keyboard shortcut or right-click and choose Copy. Take a quick look at what you copied. It should be your business page URL and typically start with HTTPS. If you see extra characters at the end from internal navigation, that's fine. Most QR code tools handle them, but a clean, direct page link is ideal. Next, open a new tab and go to a QR code generator, such as QR Code Monkey. In the main URL field, paste the Facebook page link you just copied. Double-check that there are no unintended spaces before or after the link. Keeping the default settings is perfectly fine for a reliable, easy-to-scan code. Now, click Create QR. In a moment, you'll see a preview of your QR code. If you have a smartphone handy, it's a great idea to point your camera at the screen and test the code right away to make sure it opens your business page correctly. That's all there is to it. You've generated a QR code that points directly to your Facebook business page. Use it on flyers, menus, packaging, storefront signage, or anywhere customers might want to connect quickly. If you ever change your page URL, remember to repeat this process to keep your QR code accurate. Thanks for following along.